Adjustable beds eliminate snoring, acid reflux, and back pain. Split beds allow each person to adjust independently.
But many people don't like the idea of a seam in the middle of the bed. Van Wert Bedrooms has the solution, the split head mattress.
The top 1/3 of your mattress is split, but the bottom is solid.
Giving you freedom of movement so you can keep the cuddles but lose the snores.
One bed with a split head.
Stop in and see it for yourself.
At Van Wert Bedrooms, your destination for a great night's sleep.